Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss how to resolve audio sync issues you might encounter while watching YouTube TV. This is when the audio doesn't match the video, causing a noticeable delay. Let's go over some troubleshooting steps. Audio sync issues can be caused by a few different factors. One common reason is a problem with the device you are using to watch YouTube TV or the audio output setup. The first step is often to simply restart your device. Turn off and then turn back on the smart TV, streaming stick, game console, or mobile device you are using. This can clear temporary software glitches that might be causing the sync problem. Next, check your audio settings within the YouTube TV app. While playing content, bring up the playback controls by pressing a button on your remote or tapping the screen. Look for the audio or settings icon, often a gear or sound waves. Select it and see if there are any audio track options or settings that might be causing the issue. Sometimes switching to a different audio track, if available, even if it's the same language, can resolve sync problems. Also, check the audio settings on your television or audio receiver if you are using external speakers or a soundbar. Ensure that there are no unusual audio processing settings enabled that might introduce a delay. Sometimes features like surround sound processing or audio enhancements can cause sync issues. Try disabling these on your TV or audio equipment to see if it improves the sync. Your internet connection speed and stability can also play a role in audio sync. While less common than with buffering, an inconsistent connection can sometimes affect the timing of audio and video streams. Make sure your internet connection is stable and meets YouTube TV's recommended speeds. You can try the internet troubleshooting steps mentioned in our buffering video, such as restarting your modem and router or using an Ethernet connection. Finally, check if the issue is specific to a particular channel or program. If the audio sync problem only occurs on one channel, it might be an issue with the source broadcast rather than your setup. If the problem persists across all channels and content after trying these steps, it could indicate a more specific issue with your device or a temporary problem on YouTube TV's end, and you might need to contact YouTube TV support. We hope these steps help you resolve audio sync issues in YouTube TV. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.